Why speaking like he done stepped on some? Bitch nigga step at they lane, done lost their brain, go fuck around, get hit and they muffin. I ain't with the bluffing, go run up 100, invest that shit, then give me another. Say it's a parade inside your city, yeah, well nigga that's because I'm coming. Yo, what it do YouTube? It's your boy Avery Gross and we back with another Dang, I know y'all just seen all that spit, but guess what? Oh well.
What did he say?
Video, we got another music video we're gonna react to. And we got Chucky. Feel me? The one and only Chucky. And we're gonna be reacting to Hiccup. So we're gonna see what it's in for, man.
Hey man, free blood valve, no man.
I'm not gonna lie, chat. This man, Chucky, be having some of the most extravagant beats, and I really, his beat selection, immaculate, I ain't gonna lie.
Free the guys, man. Shit free, but free the guys.
Shit free, but free the guys and free gun smoke.
Free the guys.
Red seats, red key, all the hoes want sex me. Me and her both got Selena, she thinks she my bestie. I don't like it when I bounce, I seen him take his last breath. Niggas troll on that for promo,
take his last breath.
Mad reach. I got on 2 boxes of bridge, she sucking deep before I pee. Me and Mildy out the lane.
Bro, I'm telling you, these beats is something.
You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck, ODIE. Turn it down.
For all y'all non-Chucky supporters or y'all don't like his music, he said, you don't like my music, you can go DIE.
You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck,
DIE.
Turn it down, all the third days, my first show gon' be Italy. I don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses, Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. No, they not, but sure, Chacron had 2K just for me to see through. Bella right here, boy, I see dude. Candle lights get hit for sure. Niggas we talk like savages, tell me savage shit, they disappear. I get on the net and act myself, that savage shit be in me. You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything but likes. I'm me gun size as a bike. Pink slips at the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, Bella right here fucking right up. And before the Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up. Every missing Chucky got off, he got hit up, got sent right up. Police think this shit again, they let Barad and snatch them right up. I go in the mall and cash out everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty, spend it. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Get to the room, drop a penny, she screaming, go.
He said, my advice, bro, say them
And they let
pennies.
Barad and snatch them right up. I go in the mall and cash out everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty, spend it. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Get to.
He said, you be petty spending. My advice, go say them pennies. Hey, coming from somebody that ain't got that rapper bag yet, you feel me? Not yet, I'm not no rapper, chat. I'm not no rapper. But I don't got that bread like that, so hey, trust me, I be saving my pennies, man.
Room, drop a penny, she screaming, go Chucky, get it. Won't go for that, I ain't thirsty. End of the night, I still hit her. After the show, bet we bip through. We on the hunt for them niggas. First of the month, know I ran through. That's why she hit in my system. I got codeine in my system. Yo, bitch, I sippin' on liquor. I don't throw cash in the strip club. Young nigga getting more richer. Mexican hoe getting thicker. NYC finna go hit her. If I get hit on the dice game, lil' bro come through, it's a stick up. On the drill, he caught the
it's a
hiccup.
stick up.
That boy a bitch boy. I got a switch on my rocket. That bitch come quick like a blitz boy. Or like a Hellcat, we still post up in them trenches. Toy hit the block, we in CP, throw the blicks over the fences. Do donuts in a scan pack, that's when I first had my dilly. Gave my OG 30K and then again I'm super richy. I know not to come outside, I got like 15 lows on Sibley. See a strike, fuck up the ride, I gotta get back home, you silly. Switch the route every time, I got like 4 spots in a bitty. I got rich, I rap, not crack, but I do 1 million a minute. Free smirk.
He said I got rich off rap, not crack. Hey, free Darkio, Schmirkio, man. But nah, chat, I'm trying to tell you, Chucky's songs, like his tempo, and I don't know, just the whole atmosphere and experience of his music, that sounds crazy glazed, but I promise no glaze intended. That boy music, hey, his music turned. And I like this song, it's a great song. Still not, it's not the best Chucky song. But that just goes to show how, hey, Chucky tough.
Going up, they got that bro out any minute. Free Shona went free Millie, bro, my 20, that's my killer. We got 4 junks in a sprinter, it's just me and lil' bro winning. Beat the road for 13 hours, it's a must, got count the chicken.
Hey, chat. Normally we done, but guess what? 2-on-1, Chucky Wimby. It's back to belt on the skips. Come on, bro. Thank you. Get this off my phone. Hey, this be menacing, boy.
How the fuck would you niggas be without me, for real? Like, you just come on, love my swag, everything, you know. I hope probably won't fuck me too.
I'm over.
Money man.
What would 224 mean without Chucky? Niggas won't have rap deals.
I'm not gonna lie. I felt like ZS and B. Lou in the one clip, bro, over there, no music playing, bumping his head. I'm over here. So I ain't even start him over here bumping my head, man.
What you bobbing your head for?
Oh shit, I don't know.
Anyways.
Money man.
What would 224 mean without Chucky? Niggas won't have rap deals. Mansky text my phone like you the goat, you just stop him from rapping. You must think this shit a game. I'm not scared about none of that shit. But you know I am not going. I got money and I'm crashing. I will not set no damn bounty. All my niggas 100 downers. He must be smoking that meth shit. I think it's mad fucking clouded. Somebody please tell him shake back. We got choppers go through beefies. My front pockets overly cribbing and my book bag got all seaweed. And by seaweed I mean 20s. I only thrown through the Franklins. Ain't gon' play with no rap nigga. On first grade, watch how we spank them. For no bitch like 49ers, quarterback, watch how they chase them. I get fresh, don't get no line, and ain't no play, my dress keep swinging. I got on Miss Madison, but she can't take it. I only fuck on the baddest, somehow right now ain't shit here basic. Bitch, these LVDs ain't A6, flex your kid big, I gon' take it. Flex your roll meal, dig.
Hey, he said he do not got boot feet. He said these LVs not no Asics. If I catch you wearing some Asics, man, and it's so crazy, cause I bet you in the near future somehow, some way Asics is gonna be the new trend. Cause y'all did that same thing with New Balances, comparing them to Skechers. New Balances was trash. Now everybody wants some New Balances. Let me find out people wearing Asics now, man.
Take it, flex your Drake, Lil D gon' take it. Flex your hoe, I bet I hit it. Used to be flex your blick, I take it. I don't need no fucking perk, I take her home, I bet I break her. SVI, this bitch ain't basic, I'm in Bally acting brazy. Skin them just toss me the key, know I got this bitch at Sasky. And this Glock ain't got no safety, run up on me, bet I blame you. Boy, I'm hot as fucking lava, I'm
I blame
like a candle. And I got your bitch for 5, she on my dick like a sandal. I only got on the tank top and the yammy spinning Benjis. I only got time for headshots, ammunition cost too much. Binary that 3-round buzzing. 4 quarter they just get slumped. We don't beat around the bush. I bet them get to the point. Ain't gon' lie, if it's 1 second, I'm passing meal, D that bitch. I know he gon' let me down. I know for sure, yeah, that's success.
Hey, this is like out of nowhere, but just listening to this Chucky song, it reminded me of this TikTok. I was watching this TikTok earlier, right? Boom. This lady said that it sounded like Chucky reading off a book or something. If y'all know what I'm saying, or if you know what she's saying and y'all can hear it, let me know. Like it's just funny to me because I can kind of see it.
But you know I am not going. I got money and I'm crashing. I will not say no damn bounty. All my niggas 100 downers. He must be smoking that meth shit. I think it's mad fucking clouded. Somebody please he acting like a bum. He just fucked up my parlay pick. Street ball used to check the ball up. Carson
he said KD a bum, fucking up my parlay pick.
That's a
that's why I don't, that's why I don't get
money and fast cars my life. That's a lottery pick. I already got multiple vehicles. I want that new Rari whip. Every car I drive it fast. Don't care if it was a Honda Civic. I'm not finna.
Said every car I drive it fast. I don't care if it's a Honda Civic.
I know Fishbowl, you must be out one of them pillies. I done buzz like every grade, but that G20 my favorite blicky. I done rock like every show, I think that A my favorite city. And I been hearing this smoke, I'll be outside, come get out with me. I don't need no fucking crowd, I duck on
I ain't
shit
never been to the A. We're gonna have to see what it's hitting for one day. That'll do it for the Chucky 2-in-1. Spontaneous 2-in-1 because it was only supposed to be a single. But hey, Chucky Wackham, what y'all think? I personally like Hiccup more than Wimby. Wimby is cool. You got like I like Wimby. It's cool, but Hiccup I like that one way more. It had more energy, brought more energy to the song. I like that, but that'll do it, man. Like, comment, subscribe. and then keep engaging with the channel and come back and watch the next video, man. We're gonna start pumping them out.